Aria's first gift ever from Auntie Steph and Uncle Mike. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, say thank you, Auntie Stephanie. Oh,
Grandma will be assisting.
Yeah, let's see. Can you open it up? Here, over here. Rip it open. Come on. Look at that, see? Oh. What is that? Look.
What is that?
Look, Aria. What is this? Oh, look what you got. Hello Kitty bowl.
Hello Kitty.
And a fork and a spoon and a cup.
Oh, nice.
Oh, see, she's holding the paper, Mama. See?
All right.
Good job, honey. Wow. You like it? Oh, now she's trying to open it, see?
Oh, she got it.
Yeah, good job. And a bowl in it. This is adorable.
Yeah, there's a plate and a bowl
Look
and a
at
cup.
that.
And
You can
silver.
pull those silverware right off. Just
Yeah.
put it down
Oh.
there. There you go. That's a separate
That didn't
thing.
look that easy. Okay. See everybody? Isn't it?
Aww.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
She likes it.
Alright.
Hi.
Steph.
Is that video?
Yep.
Aw, this is
And
adorable.
Shinyu and Wrigley.
Say thank you.
Don't forget to film yourself.